India want to permanent member of the United Nations and many countries support, but many countries not support like United States of America and China. Five permanent member are United States of America, China, Russia, United Kingdom and France. Five permanent member has a veto, and any country voting against any resolution in United Nations Security Council, then bill will not pass, not make any law. This is the veto power of one country. If India want to any resolutions in United Nations Security Council, then China can make veto against India. For example, India want to many terrorism ban, but China create veto. Then this is not possible for India. The ban for many organization, terror organization in the world. Therefore, India want to veto. And in this session, United Nations Security Council, United Nations General Assembly, this session is recently completed, and every country forced to expand United Nations Security Council membership. Total 15 members in this recent time. In this 5 permanent and 10 non-permanent, and 10 non-permanent member validity is 2 years. After 2 years, new new non-permanent member can join, and other 5 permanent member is the lifetime member of the United Nations Security Council: China, France, United Kingdom, Russia and America. And this 5 member not sufficient to balance power in the world, because many countries rise as the powerhouse, as the power, new emerging power in the world, like India and Brazil and Japan and many other countries in the Africa continent. Therefore, we need to expand United Nations Security Council, and India, Brazil and Japan is the main candidate for the permanent member in United Nations Security Council. We hope that this is the this task should will complete very soon, and Antonio Guterres, the Secretary General of the United Nations, also wanted to expand the improvement in the Security Council, and this is, if this done, then this is the very easy to India access veto power, and contribute to our right to balance decision making in the world.